see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
And he said pink.
Say Sia?
He said pink, but
Ayan.
he wanted
Like it?
pink.
Yes.
The pig
So,
loses.
ayan. Pauwi na kami. Ang init pa rin. The towel.
You're like
Walking the grass.
like you're doing this to practice, then you do it with
What's
the
that
ball.
rattling in the back?
Oh, it should be more golf clubs.
Yeah. So, kasi tinatanong namin si Kuya kung ano yung, di ba mayroong towel yung ano nila, golf stick nila. Tinatanong namin para saan yun. Yun, sabi niya. What? You have to what, Kuya? Drag.
Drag the tail when you hit the ball and make sure it's square.
Square. Yung pala yun. Is it a bit heavy with that towel?
No.
No? Okay. Is he only awake? Or is she pretending sleeping? Is he only awake? Kaya pretend siyang tulog-tulugan siya. Oy!
That's it!
Nakatulog si Kuya and si Holly and nag-stop muna kayo dito sa OTR sa pa siyang gasolinahan pero may ano siya, may kainan. Dito may Hungry Jack tapos mayroon pang mga ano doon. Kung ano pang mga paninda sa loob. Dito kami lagi nag-stop pag pauwi ng pa Mount Gambier. Dito kami lagi nag-stop over. Thanks. In-orderan ko si against the light. Ayan, in-orderan ko si Sak ng hotdog. Kasi gusto ni Sak hotdog. Si Jan nandun sa Hungry Jack. Tapos meron silang crispy cream. Ayan. I'm just gonna wait here. Ayan, meron silang crispy cream dito. Oh. Parang gusto ko to. Itong cookies and cream. Ayan. Tapos meron silang ang sarap ng ano. Oh. Kasi meron pa silang mga ganyan. So, hintayin lang natin. It's yummy. Tapos, ayan, may pa-couch sila dito. Hintayin lang natin yung hotdog ni Sak. Ayan yung hotdog ni Sak. Ginagawa na. Thank you.
Alright, have a good day.
You too. Ito na yung hotdog ni Sak. Ang init. Init niya. Wait. Tawagin natin yung mga bata. Hi, Papa! Time to eat! Time to eat! Let's go wash your hands! Come on, Papa! Do you know how to get up? Come on. We're gonna wash your hands. Come on. Time to eat. Come on, wash your hands. Ayan, hugasan natin ang kamay niya. Yung dalawang boys nakahugas na. Ayan, may pa-mirror sila dito. Oh. And ayan ang background. Come on, Papa. Up. And ayan. Pretty dyan. Okay, come on. Come on, Papa. Boys, DJ. What's yours, Kuya? Nuggets? Where's tissue, Han? You got tissue? Ano to, Kuya? Fanta? Frozen Fanta? Mango? Mango daw to. Frozen mango. Is it good? Hmm? Hoy! Share! Ayan kay Kuya chicken. Kay Jan burger. It's alright. Nababa hot, ha? Hot, okay? Hot. Careful. Wait, I'll put it here. kami. Kain muna kami. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain. And, ayan, may nakita si Jan na, teacher ni TJ. So, school. And, be careful. And, ayan, pinalalaro lang muna namin saglit yung mga bata bago umalis. And, bumili ako ng Krispy Kreme. Okay, see you next week.
Yeah, I'll see you at sports. I'm going to be there. I'm on the starting gun. So
Okay.
come and stand right next to me.
See ya. Bye. Ayan, bumili ako ng Krispy Kreme. Meron ako chocolate filled with custard and apple crumble custard and yung original, yung glaze, tatlo.
Is that
Ayan. Okay, later Baba because we just had gusto na kuya kumain. Mamaya kasi alis na tayo. Ayan. Bye, bye. Call your sister and your brother.
Let's go!
Wait for Holly. Come on, Papa. Ayan na siya. Hurry up, Papa. Did you have fun? What happened? Okay, wait. Okay, let's go. No. Gusto niya. No, you're not gonna hold this. No nga. Ang kulit mo. Come on. Gusto niya nga. No. I'm putting it inside now. It's locked. Lock. Yes, ayan. Nag-stop kami dito sa Tentanara. What place is this, Kuya? Tentanara. Ayan, para mag-ice cream sila. Ayan. Yeah. And you, what are you saying, Papa? You have ice cream. Be careful with your clothes. Yeah, careful. Go there na, Papa. And si Sak, meron din siyang cornetto. Here, Baba, oh. You're licking it. And na mag-stop pa kami ulit. Go there, Baba na. Here, tissue, honey for Holly.
It's over there. So.
Dito sa K, kukuha ko ng chicken kasi di ba? Nandito Lana? Akala namin nandito ulit sila Talana, yung kapatid ni Jan. So kasi di ba sila kanina nag-stop doon, kumain sila ng Hungry Jack, kasi si Sak hotdog, ako naman dito chicken ang kukunin ko. Wait ha. Ayan, nakakuha na ako ng chicken. 3 chicken lang yung kinuha ko. Kasi ako lang naman. Ang kinuha ko is yung may buto-buto isa. Tapos 2 chicken wings. Hindi ako kumuha ng fries kasi wala. Chicken lang. And yung mga bata, nag-stretching na sila kasi baka last stop namin to dito. And ipakain ko na sa kanila itong Krispy Kreme. Saka! Holly, here, yours, Papa. I'm gonna say. You're welcome. Okay, mommy. Okay, here, Papa. Oh, you're thirsty. Okay, wait. What you gonna say? Okay, hold it properly, Papa. Hold it properly. You don't like it? You don't like it? Ayaw niya, buti naman para hindi ka makipitin mo. Oops. You want this, huh? Okay, sisak na lang. Your manners? Here.
That's near the IKEA airport.
No, you're thirsty, Baba. Nakita ulit namin yung guru ni TJ sa sa school niya. Ayan, oh. Okay na, Papa. Mom's gonna drink too. Thank you. Okay, Baba. Good girl. Ang init kasi. Ayan sila. Is it masarap? Ha? Nag-ice cream ka na? May ganyan ka pa? Where's yours, Kuya? Finished already. That was quick. So, ayan. Andyan na sila. Tapos na yung What? Ano?
A bite.
You want a bite?
Yeah.
Huh. Gusto niya ng donut. Okay. Kanina sabi mo ayaw mo. A donut. Oh, here's a bite of donut. What you gonna say? You're welcome. Okay. Ayan. Palis na kami. Is this our last stop here, Han?
We'll get one.
We have one more stop pa pala.
Just for me though.
Yeah. For toilet daw. Ayan. Kainin ko na rin to. Kasi gutom na ako. Lagay ko lang ng seatbelt. Ayan. So, kain tayo. Ito, ang sarap ng chicken dito sa Keith. Ayan. Country kasi ito. Country fried chicken na. Ayan. Diba? Sarap. And ito yung sa amin ni Jan. Yung dessert namin na crispy cream. Kasi si Kuya, kumain na siya kasi Sak. Meron pa dyan si Ol kasi si Ol ayaw niya naman. Yung tira ni Sak na konti. Ayan.
Oh man, let's get out of here.
Ayan, bahay na kami. Kararating lang namin. And time check is 9:35 na. And then pala, next week, sa Friday, balik ulit kami sa Adelaide for long weekend. And then kila Race ulit kami titira for 3 days. What's that?
Max did this.
Max?
Yeah.
When?
Adolf. What is it?
So yun guys, so yeah, i-close ko na itong vlog. And yeah, thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Say bye. Say good night na everyone. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night. Pagod na yan. Maliligo pa kami. And ibababa ko muna yung mga gamit namin pala ni Jan. So good night guys. Thank you.
Shout out podcast.
Sha Claire.
Shout Claire.
Yasharaj and Jasmeet
Joshua and Jasmine.
Nakwal.
Nakwal.
Lexi Aliyah.
Nexia.
Marilo
Mario.
Similano.
Silano.
Alimak.
Elima. Gabi's got to hashtag ChonaAndMyKids the big shout. And Holly. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see.